Hello everyone, as you can see we have the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creator Combo in front of us, and yes, I do know I'm a little late to the game. But anyways, so what we're going to do today is unbox the Pocket 3 and maybe do a few little things as far as taking a closer look at it, see what comes with the Creator Combo Kit versus not. I have been a fan of the Pockets for a long time. I've got the original Pocket 1, I guess you should say. I could say in front of me right now. So we'll be able to compare the size as well. So looking forward to taking a closer look at comparing the new one to my original Pocket. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box first. It's a nice size box. And then we can see all the things that come with it. A little bit more than what you would normally get with the straight up Pocket 3 without it being part of the creator combo. I think on Amazon there's like 3 different options. There's like the standard, there's one that comes with a couple extra things, and then there's this, which is the creator combo. So you'll have to take a look to see what makes sense for you and if the extra $100 or so bucks is worth it for the creator combo. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see if we're gonna need, I think we're gonna need a knife here. That was almost very dangerous. And if you have any questions while I'm going through this, please feel free to ask down below. And then we'll do the very satisfying pull. Very nice. And I think, is there one on the bottom? There should be one on the bottom. I'll show you exactly how not to open this. Okay, there we go. All right, got the silica on there. Don't eat it. All right, we'll go ahead and pull this out. Got some paperwork inside of there. And then we've got this box right here. All right, I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up and we'll be right back. All right, so all I did was take this out of the bag. It's a very good sized bag actually, or heavy bag I should say. And let's see what we got inside of here. All right, and then so we've got a quick start guide, we've got a recommended editing app, then we have the actual instructions itself. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we've got in here. And this plastic is like super heavy duty. I'm very impressed with it. So it's the protective cover. You can already see the difference in size. Pretty cool. It shows you exactly what to do. And then the meat of this is actually inside here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I won't pan away anymore. I think it is important for you to see everything that we've got and how it comes out. I know that's something that I always have a question of when I am watching these videos from other creators. Okay, that's it there. All right, so that's everything out of the kit there. You can see that we've got some, this is where the filters were on the little rubber band area, or rubber area there, which is nice. And the case feels really good as well. So let's go ahead and I guess take a closer look here at some of these first, and then we'll talk about what they are. So we've got one of the handles here. I feel like we've got lots of plastic that we're going to be getting away. Okay. This looks like the dead cat, and yeah, the handle there, and then we've got a charging cable, but no actual charger. So that's always interesting, especially when you spend as much money as you do on one of these. Let's see what we got with this filter. Oops. That looks like the wide angle there. And this looks like the magnet for the microphone, which goes right like that. Awesome. All right. All right, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and then we'll take a closer look. So taking a closer look what we've got here. So the Creator Combo does come with the mic, which is nice, and it does come with the Dead Cat as well. The Dead Cat obviously has the ability to go right in there. It snaps right in. It's perfect. I like the fact that the mic here is clear so you can kind of see inside. So it's different than the standard original mic. This is the Mic 2, and the receiver is automatically built in to the camera here, so that'll be very interesting to see how well that actually works. Also with here, we've got this guy right here, which has the ability to go into a standard tripod mount, so that way we can do that, because as you can see on the bottom here of the camera, we do not have that. So what you'd have to do is basically snap that right in place. And it is a very solid, actually, I'm very happy with that. And then you just click to release, and there you go. This, however, is an extra battery, which is nice. And with both of these, you'll see that there is an actual USB-C out there because you're going to be using the USB-C in to be able to get to the mic stand. And because otherwise it's going to be right there. All right, so I guess, and then that's really it. And then from here, we do have the, like I said, the wide angle lens, which just snaps right on, which is nice. Fits right in there perfectly. Put that right back. As far as this guy right here, we do have, in the case, we do have the ability to do the lens right there. It's magnetic, so it fits perfectly like that. And then this will fit right into place, right like that. So then we're able to carry this very nicely and not have to worry about anything getting damaged, like if it was in our pocket, for instance. All right, so that's really it as far as what I was going to do with this video. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you get with it. The handle, or I should say the strap here, would go right in through there. I'm not going to put that on there because I'm going to be very rarely actually using it like that. If anything, I'll be using it like this. And that's powering on right now. And then we do have the ability with the tripod that comes with it to be able to just mount it. We'll be doing some more videos on the channel so you can kind of see what you can do with the Pocket 3. And if you have any questions, ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, best thing to do is ask them. If I don't have the answer, I will look them up for you. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, we do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. We do a lot of things that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do other things as well. Things that a professional geek might find interesting, like going to theme parks. We've got home automation stuff that we do, stuff with the truck, GoPros, DJI products like the drones, the pockets and whatnot as well. Actually, before I go, one of the things I said I was going to do, let's go ahead and take a look at the size. Pocket 1 versus the Pocket 3. It is a big difference in size. And one of the things that I did like about the original Pocket was the fact that you could connect it to your phone very easily. So I'm curious to see how well that's going to work. So we'll probably do some additional videos just comparing the two. But with that, have a great day.